Good morning, I'm Abdao.
And I'm Batara, and we're live and reporting from PSHS News. Last Friday, a tragedy almost fell within the Pisay community. Patrick Dulay, undoubtedly the smartest high school mathematician in the nation, got into a car accident, but thankfully he is alive and well with us today.
I can't imagine Pisay without a prominent figure like Kyle. He has won more contests than my fingers can count. Plus, he obtained that elusive IMO gold medal every mathlete dreams of winning.
I know, right? Pisay wouldn't be the same without him.
So let's go to Raffy Santiago, who's live with Kyle Dulay right now. Yes, Raffy?
Hello everyone, I'm Raffy Santiago, and I'm here with the Kyle Dulay, who's alive and kicking. How does it feel to be lucky enough to be given a second chance at life?
It was not luck at all. I was merely wearing a seatbelt, which helped increase my chances of survival.
Wow, so wearing a seatbelt reduced the impact of the crash. Could you narrate to us the events that transpired?
Well, first of all, wearing a seatbelt had no effect on the momentum of the impact, it merely increased its duration. Well, I was on my way to school when a car suddenly cut in front of me and hit my vehicle. The impact lasted for a second, and the acceleration could be modeled by the function 100t times 1 minus t, where t is the time elapsed in seconds. Thankfully, my 75 kilogram self, along with my 1500 kilogram car, weren't heavy enough to create a big enough impulse. Do you know how much force I experienced and would have experienced had I not worn a seatbelt?
Let's go back to Madad and RD to solve the problem.
This problem isn't really that hard. First off, the impact can be calculated by this formula. Impulse J is defined by the integral of the mass of the object multiplied by the acceleration with respect to time. In this case, the bounds of the equation would be 0 seconds and 1 second as defined by Kyle.
Based on my calculations, Kyle experienced an impulse of 1,250 Newton seconds, while the whole system experienced an outstanding impulse of 26,250 Newton seconds. Additionally, we can obtain the maximum force he experienced by obtaining the product of his mass and maximum acceleration using derivatives. In this case, he experienced 1,875 newtons of force. It would have been worse if he had not been wearing a seatbelt.
That's right, RD. Since the impact time would have been decreased to 0.2 seconds, the numbers would have been more fatal. Since the impact force would have been the same, Kyle's new acceleration function would be given by 2,500t times 1 minus 5t. And the maximum force he would experience would be 9,375 newtons, which is 5 times the force he experienced when he was wearing a seatbelt.
Exactly. And now that the problem has been solved, let's go back to Raffy. Yes, Raffy?
Wow, that was a tough problem you gave us there, Kyle.
Nope, it's as easy as
2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3, quick maths.
Wow, you're really something else, Kyle. Do you have a message for our viewers out there?
remember kids, wear your seatbelts.